Dear learners, I welcome again in another video of financial accounting, especially for today's video. The title of video is Basis of Accounting. I Rajesh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Business Administration, Govindpur Public College, Alor Khanna, try to discuss with you on the following topics under this. In this video, we are going to discuss about what are the basis of accounting. Then thereafter accounting cycle, what type of various accounts are there, and three branches of account is there: financial accounting, management accounting, cost accounting. What are their difference? And accounting in actions and how these accounting information is useful to different users. Now start exploring the things one by one. In the next slide, we are going to discuss about basis of accounting. Accounting basically based on three bases: cash basis, accrual basis, and mixed basis. So, from the meaning that's clear to you, cash, when we call it cash basis, that means whenever we have to record the transaction only within 1 year, all the cash receipts and the payment that is actually paid or received, no credit transactions are recorded in the accounting records. Then second type of basis of accounting, that is accrual basis. In accrual basis, whether you earned or still to be earned, whether you received or still to be received, all the transactions recorded in accrual basis. So income received in advance, outstanding salary, all the, example of accrual basis. But in reality, no organization only purely based on cash basis. Some are there, but not majority, not on accrual basis. That is a mixture of both cash basis as well as accrual basis. So that is a mixed of combination of cash as well as accrual basis. Then moving further, now we are trying to discuss about accounting cycle. So, accounting cycle means how we can record the transactions in financial accounting or accounting. First, you have to identify whether the transaction is monetary or not. So, if you are quantify the things that expressed in financial term or having some economic impact, then that is called monetary transactions. Then what we have to do? First, you have to record the transaction in the journal entry. After that is called primary book. Then you have move further for ledgers. When you prepare different ledgers, then you have to prepare the balance of debit balance and credit balance of various ledger accounts. If that match, then previous trial balance you have to prepare. Till now bookkeeping process is complete, you are recording and classifying the things. Then you have to present the things, and accounting will start from here. Bookkeeping to accounting, that is trading and profit and loss account, which we called income statement, where we can find out what is the gross profit, net profit in a one particular year. And after that, to check the arithmetical accuracy and financial position or credit worthiness of the organization, at the end we have to prepare balance sheet. So in the next slide, classification of account. Basically accounts can be classified on the basis of personal account and impersonal account. Personal accounts means natural person's account, Ram Sham, natural human being. Artificial personal account, just like Govindpur Public College, Punjab University, Chandigarh. Artificial legal person, Reliance. All these are artificial personal accounts. Representative personal accounts, just like the feature of represent personal account, but that account converted into nominal account, that is called representative personal account. Income, outstanding salary, rent yet to be received. So all these are example of representative personal account. So in personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. That is the general rule for double entry in classification of account. Then impersonal account, that classified into two category: real account and nominal account. So in real account, tangible land and building, plant and machinery, that is tangible real accounts. Intangible goodwill is their patent right, which we can feel but we can't touch. So that is intangible real accounts. So the rule of accounts under real account is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. In nominal account, all the expenses and losses are debit, all the incomes and gains are credit. So a nominal account related with impersonal in nature, that is related with income and expenditure of the organization. Then in the next slide, moving further, now we are going to discuss about financial accounting, cost accounting, and management accounting. So from this picture, you can see the difference on the basis of four parameters. One is objective. Financial accounting basic purpose is to record the transaction, measure the profit, and show the financial position of the organization. On the same side, in cost accounting, we are only concerned about cost ascertainment and curtailment. But in management accounting, we have to assist management in decision making and पॉलिसी फार्मूलेशन. अब इनका नेचर कैसे होता है? फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग में जो नेचर है हिस्टोरिकल डाटा, दैट इज हिस्टोरिक, जो चीजें हो चुकी हैं उसका आप पोस्टमार्टम कर रहे हो, दैट इज फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग. बट इन कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग वी विल डील विद present as well as historical data. So historical nature, but management accounting always has been a futuristic approach. You have to, on the basis of past, you have to present the future followed. So in financial accounting, all the transactions, the rules and regulation governed by GAAP, journal accepted accounting principles. Certain principles for recording costs as CBP, standard costing, other methods are there. In management accounting, there is no certain set of principle for recording the transaction and data use. In financial accounting, qualitative. In case of cost accounting, quantitative aspect is record. Then in management accounting, qualitative as well as quantitative both accept will be recorded is there. So financial accounting, cost accounting, and management accounting are part and parcel of proper accounting system. In this slide, accounting in action. When we call say accounting in action, then what is accounting? Then you have to identify monetary activity, whether they are affecting business or not. Who uses accounting data, आपके कौन account को use कर रहा है. Then next one is the building blocks of accounting. अब building blocks of accounting में आपने देखना है कि आपने क्या क्या disclose करना, what to disclose, not to disclose, what are your assumptions, what are the disclosures, on basis assumptions you have doing the things, and gap is there. The basic accounting equation of next thing है, उसमें आप देखोगे assets liabilities क्या है, ऑनर की इक्विटी कितनी है, वो चीजें स्टडी करोगे आप. देन यूजिंग द बेसिक अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन, ट्रांजैक्शन एनालिसिस करोगे, समरी ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शंस को आप प्रिपेयर करोगे. देन इन द लास्ट, when we call say accounting in action, you have to prepare financial statement, income statement, that is profit and loss, where we are finding out net profit, owners equity statement, कैपिटल कितनी है, देन बैलेंस शीट, उसके बाद आप कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट देखोगे, फंड फ्लो स्टेटमेंट देखो, जिसके साथ आप कैश इन हैंड या कैश एट बैंक कितना उसको मैनेज करोगे. सो इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड we are going to discuss whatsoever the information we are generating from accounts. So what, who can use that particular information? So two type of information that can be used by accounting: financial accounting, external users; मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग, इंटरनल यूजर्स. सो फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग कौन कौन यूज करेगा? गवर्नमेंट एजेंसीज वेलफेयर स्कीम के लिए यूज करेंगे. वो चेक करेंगे आपके पास टैक्स कितना बन रहा है, इन्वेस्टर को इंटरेस्ट होता है कि आप कितना प्रॉफिट अर्न कर रहे हो, ताकि उनकी इनकम श्योर हो सके. क्रेडिटर या लोन फंडर जो आपको लोन प्रोवाइड करते हैं, वो देखते हैं कि आप उनके रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हो या नहीं कर सकते हो. ट्रेड एसोसिएट्स, वो आपके साथ डील करते हैं कि आपने जो उन्होंने डील किया, कि आप उनके साथ सर्वाइव कर सकते हो, उनको प्रॉफिट अर्न करके दे सकते हो. अब ये सारी चीजें कहाँ से चेक होंगी? विद द हेल्प ऑफ अकाउंटिंग. अब इंटरनल यूजर कौन से हैं? डायरेक्टर हैं, लाइन मैनेजर है, एम्प्लॉयज हैं, दे आर आल्सो इन्वॉल्व इन इंटरनल इंफॉर्मेशन. वो चाहते हैं कि जो उन्होंने एफर्ट्स किए हैं, क्या वो एफर्ट्स प्रॉफिट के रूप में, प्रोडक्टिविटी के रूप में, एफिशिएंसी के रूप में हमारे पास एज ए इंक्रीज्ड फॉर्म वापस आ रहे हैं, नहीं आ रहे हैं. सो अकाउंटिंग क्या है? अकाउंटिंग एक लैंग्वेज ऑफ बिजनेस है, जिसके द्वारा बिजनेस थर्ड आउटसाइड द वर्ल्ड बाहर के लोगों के साथ या विद इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कम्युनिकेट करता है कि हाँ, हमारी हेल्थ अच्छी है, हम आपके कॉन्फिडेंस को टूटने नहीं देंगे, हम अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. सो दैट्स थिंग्स पॉसिबल विद द हेल्प ऑफ अकाउंटिंग. देन इन द लास्ट, थैंक यू